Today we had a guest at home and their reaction made my day. Wash the prawns thoroughly and remove the black veins. I marinated fresh prawns with ginger garlic paste, turmeric, Kashmiri red chili powder, tikha masala, salt, chopped corianders. Mix all together. Squeeze lemon and gently mix all well. Rest for 30 minutes. Chop 3 onion in a slice and 1 in a fine chop. Chop tomato finely. Grate dry coconut. Roast until golden brown. Do the same with sliced onion with little oil. Blend it into a smooth paste. Pour little oil in a pan and add bay leaf. Then I sauteed onions. Saute onion till golden brown. Then add chopped tomatoes. Add salt. Keep lid off with low flame. Open the lid and check tomatoes are soft and tender. Adding garam masala, coriander seed powder, kanda lasun masala and sauteing well. Add grounded masala. Cook until the oil separated. Added the prawns. Pour in hot water and let everything simmer. Today we had a guest at home. I decided to make my special prawns masala gravy with jeera rice. Everyone started eating quietly, and then one of my guests looked at me and said, "Bhabhi, what have you made? This is the next level. I swear I feel like licking the plate clean. Gravy is so good, I could eat another plate right now." That was the biggest compliment for me.